How to install 3-light globe kitchen island chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen tubes. Then screw tubes onto iron frame. Attach quick links to loops on canopy. Gently and carefully pass the wires through the loop to the top of canopy. Install bulbs and screw glass shades onto sockets. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.